Hi, I'm Jory, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am speaking on spiritual messages and downloads I am guided to talk about. Before I begin this message, I am going to take a moment to ground myself. I do have my water here. I'm going to take a drink before I continue. So, I'm getting that there are a lot of twin flames coming into union during this time on Earth. And there are a lot of signs and synchronicities that twin flames and high level soulmates are receiving about their divine counterpart during these last few months of 2025. In this rare twin flame union, I am receiving spiritual messages, insight, and downloads about you, divine feminine, and divine masculine, are constantly seeing signs and synchronicities that remind you of your twin flame counterpart. This is your twin flame, your spiritual and energetic connection manifesting in your spiritual, or not your spiritual, but your physical reality. I'm getting that this is something that has occurred and has been occurring throughout your whole spiritual path and soul journey, and you have been gradually awakening to just how much the universe is sending you signs and synchronicities of your twin flame divine counterpart, divine feminine and divine masculine, in this rare twin flame union. So, in this specific union, your experience of your twin flame is very much as energetic and spiritual as it is physical. When you were not in physical union, your spiritual and energetic connection was still intact, in the sense that you were still receiving this communication and signs and synchronicities that allowed you to connect with your twin flame, divine feminine and divine masculine. So I'm getting that these signs and synchronicities showed up as seeing your twin flame's name, seeing things that remind you of certain things that you experienced together if you were ever in physical union and experienced each other before going into a period of separation. I'm also getting that you received angel numbers, and you might still be receiving angel numbers, numbers that you feel energetically and spiritually reminding you of your twin flame divine counterpart. Now, these numbers are not as much as connected to any aspect of your twin flame other than the feeling that these numbers give you, the feeling of your twin flame, of the presence of your twin flame. So you could literally see any number or group of numbers, and it is the feeling that you get that tells you that these are angel numbers. And in this twin flame union, that feeling that you get, that feeling of the divine energy and presence of your divine twin flame counterpart tells you that whatever you're observing, sensing, feeling is related in a way to the energy of your twin flame. So, as I've said, you might come across the literal name of your twin flame. You might see things or experience things that call to mind experiences or a particular experience that you've had with your twin flame. You might see a group of numbers, a grouping of numbers, or one number that really speaks to you. So I'm getting that synchronicities might be you going somewhere and something happening, a situation happening, and you experiencing something that you've never really experienced before, but for some reason you automatically think of your twin flame in that space and time, and it feels as though their energy is there with you. This is a synchronicity. Also, if you come across an object or something visual, something that you can sense, you can use your senses to observe, that your human body observes, that calls to mind some aspect of your twin flame. This is a synchronicity. Another synchronicity that you are experiencing divine feminine and divine masculine in these last months of the year 2025 are things about the season, things about the physical environment that remind you of your twin flame. So if the weather is cold where you are right now, you are calling to mind the times when you were with your twin flame and it was cold outside and you were together and you were just in each other's presence, and you walk outside and it's cold and you automatically feel your twin flame's presence. You automatically are having these memories resurface of you being together. And sometimes these signs and synchronicities remind you that time is an illusion, because you feel like you are experiencing exactly what you were experiencing with your twin flame at the time of experiencing the synchronicity or the signs or seeing the angel numbers around you. Another synchronicity that is happening in this rare twin flame union in the last months of 2025 is you might be thinking about some experience you've had with your twin flame, and then something in your reality immediately reflects the memory, or memory mirrors the memory you were just having about your twin flame. Another synchronicity is that you are consciously thinking of experience that you would like to have with your twin flame, and then you receive some confirmation through seeing another couple doing exactly what you were just thinking about doing with your twin flame, or you think about what you want to do with your twin flame. You have these visions of your future, and then you immediately receive some confirmation by seeing something related to that vision or that thoughts that you were having. All of this is you physically manifesting this reality that you are envisioning, divine feminine and divine masculine, in this rare twin flame union. And for twin flames and high level soulmates generally, if you are envisioning and having these thoughts about experiences that you are going to have or that you will have with your twin flame and high level soulmate, then that reality actually exists. And you have access to that reality. Another way signs and synchronicities are showing up in this rare twin flame union in the last months of 2025 is immediately thinking of your twin flame and seeing their initials somewhere. Also, seeing your twin flame's name or hearing their name is a very prominent and synchronicity that happens often, a sign and synchronicity that happens often in this rare twin flame union, which automatically tells you, divine feminine and divine masculine, that you're not the only one thinking of your twin flame. In fact, your twin flame is thinking about you. You're on their mind at the exact moment you are hearing their name and seeing their name. I'm also getting that another sign and synchronicity is you might be walking around somewhere and you come across someone who looks exactly like, not exactly like, but has the same features of your twin flame. Another way you are experiencing your spiritual and energetic connection with your twin flame in this rare twin flame union, divine feminine and divine masculine, is seeing a number or a group of numbers that automatically give you a feeling of your twin flame's presence. These can be any numbers, really, or any number, and somehow you receive some feeling that indicates that this number is significant in your twin flame union on your spiritual and soul path and journey in this high level soulmate connection. I'm getting that the numbers that are significant for you, divine feminine and divine masculine, especially in these last months of 2025, are 1111 or 1111. Another number is 1212. And so the numbers 1 and 2 are also significant. 1313 is also significant. 1414 is significant. 1515 is significant. 1616, 1717, 1818, 1919, and also 1010 are significant. So really, 1 and each number between 1 and 10 are significant. So anytime you are seeing this group of numbers, there is something that is related to your twin flame. So other groups of numbers that are also significant at this time in this rare twin flame connection for you, divine feminine and divine masculine, are 111, 222, 333, 444, and 555. Also, the numbers 121, 131, 141, and 151. Anytime you come across these groupings of numbers, I'm sensing that you feel the presence of your twin flame divine counterpart. These numbers indicate that you are exactly in alignment with your highest vibrational timeline, and you are continuing to align with this highest vibrational timeline, embodying your highest vibrational self. Anytime you are seeing these angel numbers, your spirit guides are with you, and you are being asked to trust in your divine guidance and to trust in your inner voice, your internal validation, your inner light and inner wisdom. You are being asked to continue to choose your own soul, whatever you choose, whatever your soul desires in this life. Each and every time you see these angel numbers, your twin flame divine counterpart, divine feminine and divine masculine, is thinking about you. You are on their mind, even as you are in union in every possible way. You are on their mind. And more, you are on their heart. You are in their heart. You are in their energy. They are sensing you, and the moment you look and observe these angel numbers and notice these angel numbers coming up for you in your life, it's the very moment they are thinking of you. So your twin flame might think of you, and you might immediately see these angel numbers. Or these angel numbers could be confirmations of some desired reality that you want to experience with your twin flame, some experience that you want to have with your twin flame on your shared path in this divine union. These angel numbers could be confirmation that some aspect of your twin flame union that you are wanting to heal or resolve is being resolved. Some aspect of your spiritual and soul path is being healed, mended, resolved. These angel numbers could also represent a clearing happening in your life in order for you to allow more time and space for connecting with your soul. These angel numbers are coming up to also indicate and show and confirm that divine is clearing your life of everything that is not aligned with your soul, with your highest vibrational self, on your highest vibrational timeline. Divine feminine and divine masculine in this rare twin flame union. All the signs, synchronicities, and angel numbers that you are experiencing and observing that are coming up in your life during these last months of 2025 are showing up for you and are a part of your lived experience in order to confirm and to let you know on this human level and on the spiritual level that everything is aligning for you, and all the abundance that is meant for you in this rare twin flame union, in your high level soulmate connection, on your spiritual journey and soul path, is manifesting, is coming in. These signs, synchronicities, and angel numbers are positive confirmations meant to encourage you to continue to choose your heart and soul in this spiritual journey.